Alright, what's up you guys? So I have my motor pulled out of my mini bike, the one that I had put together. It's all stock, just a couple little mods that if you guys watch my other videos, you'll know which mods it has in it. So now we're going to be doing a built motor, and this is the block I'm going to be using just because I painted it and stuff like that. And yeah, we're going to be using our new head on this as well, the high compression 14cc head. It's also ported and everything too. So we're going to be using this head on here. And we're going to be putting that motor back in the mini bike and seeing how much faster we can do it. And I have all the other parts as well. Sorry, it's a little bit of a mess right now, but I have the cam, rod, everything. I have all the stuff right here for it. So let's get this thing started, start working on it. All right, got my mini bike motor tore down, all the parts I'm going to use for the new motor. As you guys can see, look at that stock rod. They're telling you everything in this was stock other than a cam and then a couple head stuff, but that's it. Everybody's saying, oh, I had a built motor, that's the reason I was winning. No, they're just haters. Look at that stock motor. So now we're going to be putting together our other motor. So let me get this one off of here and then we'll start building the other one. Alright, so we're doing our head now. There's our high compression head. It's fully ported, has the stainless steel valves and valve springs. There's all the stuff. So now we're gonna, our little Mondo head studs, we're gonna torque them to 20 pounds. They're still a little loose, I gotta tighten them up. But these head studs are good, it helps with keeping the head seated, especially with the high temperatures and the higher compression. It won't be blowing the head gasket so easy. Let's see, I need 2 hands for this. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, head's torqued down now. I was able to get a good grip on it, holding it. So now, I gotta put this in. Let's see. Get some thread lock real quick. I always use thread lock on all my bolts. The blue thread lock. It works best. I think for me. Okay, so gotta put this one in. This last thing I want is, you know, something rattling apart in here, especially at high RPMs. Okay, let me torque this down.